S2 channel switching. First, long press EJEAS button to turn on the power. After turn on the power, long press EJEAS button and the plus button for 5 seconds to enter the mesh pairing.
Mesh pairing.
And click EJEAS button to enter the mesh.
Pairing successful. Channel 1. Pairing successful. Channel 1.
When the pairing is successful, we are in the channel 1. And click plus button and minus button to enter the menu. And choosing the channel switching.
Settings. Mesh channel. Listen mesh pairing. Restore default settings. Mesh channel.
And click EJEAS button to enter the channel switching. And press the plus button to enter the channel 2. And press the minus button to enter the channel 5.